Back to the first spot, friend. We'll try again. Yeah. Wow. Wow. It pulled down there. Very deep. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. A big kapar. Kapar again. The first spot, friend. Okay. I got it. This is 11th. Yeah, if I don't make a mistake. 11th. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, try again. Yeah. Wow! It seemed a big one, friend. It seemed a big one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I will pull up, okay? Wow! A big one! A big one. Yeah. A big one. This is mehau. Mehau. I have got three mehows. Three mehows. And 11 kapars. Let's try again. Wait a minute. I prepare for the beach. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. Wow, this is kapar, I know, yeah, but maybe it is smaller than before. Wow, wow, whoosh. It is a small one, I think, but it's style like a big fish, you know. Hmm. Pulling down deeper than the others. Try again, try again. Okay, okay, don't give up, don't give up. Mhm. You'll get it right. Don't give up. Okay? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oop. Lose it. Come on. Yeah. Okay. No reaction. Okay. Okay. The bait has gone. Okay. Okay. New baits. New bait. Okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. No reaction. Okay. If there is no reaction, we have to move. Wow. wow, 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 wow. A very big. Oh. Mm-hmm. Friend. Uh, for this is what we call lele. Yeah, lele. Yeah, another kinds of fish here. Lele.